Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Bunny. To create one model, we need one sheet of paper. For this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the cross crease. Now bring these two corners to the center point. Then bring these two sides to the center crease. Bring this tip to the center point and make a new crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Bring this tip to this point and make a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Turn the model. This is the center crease. Till this crease line, bring the sides to the center crease. This is a pre-creasing which will help you in the next step. Open the flap and turn the model. Fold this triangle inside and make a crease. Fold the flap as demonstrated. By aligning this small crease with this line. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Lift this flap and make a crease. Now bring this edge till this point and make a new crease. Open the flap and flatten it as demonstrated. Here, fold in small triangle to create the rabbit ear shape. Now hold the model like this and bring this crease to the below crease line. Turn the model and bring these two sides to the center crease. Fold the triangle inside in both sides. Then open the flap and flatten it as demonstrated. Bring this tip till this point and make a new crease. Open the flap and bring this tip to this crease and fold it again. Fold the triangle inside to create the curve shape to the face of the bunny. Use little bit of glue to give it a neat finish. Origami bunny is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.